channel. In the last videos we have completed some basics shortcut keys in the computer. So in this video we are going to cover MS Word. You already know what is MS Word. MS Word is a word processing document where we are using it for document purpose. Not only a document, we are using it for a letter. Totally MS Word is for document purpose. So in this video we are going to cover home tab. You already know we have a tabs, home tab, insert tab, many tabs are there. So in this video we are going to cover only home tab. So home tab we have some options like a font, clipboard, paragraph and editing. There are many options are there in home tab. So theoretically you will not understand. Let's go to practical. Let's start and you will understand what is home tab and everything. Let's go. Hey guys, already I have completed the theory, what is the use of MS Word and all, and now we are in a screen of MS Word, and let's do some practical and how MS Word will work. So here in this video I am going to explain home tab only. So here is the home tab. We have a different tabs, home, insert, draw and that, and today in this video we are going to learn about home tab. In home tab, clipboard we are learning, font, paragraph, styles we are learning, and some edits we are learning. Edit means find and replaces that we are practicing today. So let's go to practical and how it will be working and what are the uses of these all options by using this. So already you know that, and this is a title bar, and this is a quick access toolbar, and this is file menu, and these all are tabs. Also we can call it menu bar also, and these all are ribbons. So as I've told you already, today in this video we're going to learn about home tab only. So let us start from the clipboard. So you already know, right? Clipboard, in clipboard we have some options like paste options we have, and copy and cut. Copy means it is making a duplicate. Let's take, I am selecting this data. If I am selecting, automatically this copy option is visible. When you click here, so now you are able to do a copy, means making a duplicate. Now you can place anywhere. Now you can paste. So what is shortcut key for paste? V. Suppose if you don't want to use V, there is option called paste. So this is the reason, making duplicate of any content we are using copy, means control C is a shortcut key and making copy. Okay, and already we have one option also we have here, that is cut. Cut means we are changing the locations whichever content you have selected. Let's take example. I am selecting this all, and if I click on cut, automatically that content will go, and where you want to copy, where you want to paste. So there you can keep the cursor. I want to keep cursor here, and here I wanted to paste. There is option called paste. Now see, the place has been changed, means we are going to change the location. For that purpose we are using cut. Copy is means we are making duplicate. Okay, and paste is always when you copy we have to paste, when you cut we have to paste. And then we have a font. Font is very important when you want to maintain a document in terms of making bold, in terms of making italic, underline, and sometimes if you want to change any font style there is option, and sometimes if you want to increase the font size also. So, and strike through we have option, subscript, superscript. So this all we are going to learn today, and let's start. So sometimes if you want to change any font style, select the content. So let's I'm removing this all. So let's try with this only. So I am selecting this content. Go to, there is a font style. So you have a different font style you can take which is convenient. I am taking here Times New Roman. The Times New Roman is the formal and professional font style. We are using that only. So if you take this, automatically your text will be in a Times New Roman format. And this is font style. Not only Times New, you have a different. See, are you able to see this? The changing is happening. Yeah, this is. If you could take this, and if I'm taking only Times New Roman only. Okay, then next, if you want to increase the size and decrease the size, there is an option called font size. So you can increase. Okay, I'm putting here 16. Okay, so this is what. And sometimes if you want to make a bold, bold is it's like a word will be thin. You can be that to highlight we are using. Sometimes if you want to highlight any text, let's take example. I want to highlight this binary system. Select that. Go to a B. Are you able to observe this B? B means bold. If you click on here, that text will be highlighted. See, this is what. And there is one more option called italic. Italic means a curve letter will be coming, slight curve. Select and click on italic. See, this is will be a curve letter. Are you observing? Okay, this is how it will work. And also there is a one more called underline. Underline means these three are we are using for highlighting only. See, bold is also highlighting, italic also highlighting, underline also we are highlighting. This is the use of these three options, we are using it. Okay, so and next there is one more very important option called strike through. Strike through option means when you want to show that statement is wrong, what we do, we mark them as a wrong, right? But in computer, in Word, we have option called strike through. Select or any word that you feel that is wrong. I am feeling that this information is wrong. Just imagine. Okay, select that and show, click on here. Automatically a line on the words will come. So now we can understand by this is wrong. This is the use of this strike through. And now the very important thing that we have, subscript and superscript. So let us, I am writing H2O. Is it H2O? No. This is not H2O. So I want to do that H2O. What shall I do? I want to take this 2 as a downline, right? So for that we use subscript. If I take 2 as an upline, that is superscript. So let's select 2 subscript. Now you are understanding? It has been done. See. So the same like I want to do A square. A square. So I want to make this upline to 2. Select superscript. This is A square. So like this we are using this, and sometimes if you want to change a color, select, there is an option called color. You can give any color here. I am telling you can prefer blue in terms, sometimes red, blue and black we refer. It's good format. So this is what we have to do it. And see, we have learned bold, italic, underline, font style, font size also, subscript, superscript, strike through. So, and now we are into a paragraph. Paragraph means is very important, right? So maintaining a paragraph. In a document, paragraphs are very important. What kind of paragraphs we must understand? So there are paragraphs. Left alignment, center alignment, right alignment, justify alignment. Now let us understand how it will work. Select the content. If you click on center alignment, the alignment will be center. And if you click on right, the alignment starts from right side. If you click on justify, starts from left. The end you can observe here. If I click on left alignment, there are some variations with the end. So now suppose if I click on justify, there is a equal, means it is a format, a formal format we do. Sometimes if you want to have any bullet points, sometimes if you are writing any parts of computer, let us, I am writing here monitor and keyboard. I am writing 2 more only, and mouse. So I want to make this as a bullet point. There is option called bullets. You can choose if you want to give bullets of dots which you can feel happy, you can choose that. Suppose I want to give number, beside of that there is a number, you can give number, Roman number 1 2 3, choice is yours. Okay, so this is how bullet points are working. And sometimes if you want to have a line space of this statement, now there is option called line space. Click on here, take 1.1. If you take larger than, if you take 2.0, the based on the number, based on the line space, that content will be going. So I am choosing here 1.15 is the good. So now this is all today's class, and thank you so much, and subscribe my channel.